DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this Mercedes A200 diesel AMG Sport. It's literally just arrived, but I thought I'd do a quick video as these do fly out. It's got front park distance control, diamond cut alloy wheels, full AMG body styling kit. It's got the larger rear diffuser being the AMG with a twin exhaust. It's a facelift model. Bodywork's in excellent condition around it. You wouldn't believe it's done the mileage. It's a very good price. Boot area is in lovely condition. Rear parcel shelf. The lovely AMG half leather red stitch piping interior. It's just done over 105,000 miles. 105,700. The car does have cruise control, automatic headlights. Does need a good clean, it's just arrived, like I say. 6-speed gearbox, climate control. It's got active, yeah, it's got satellite navigation. Just starting up. Radio, yeah, satellite navigation, reverse camera. Yeah, it's fully loaded. Got a lot of everyone wants. All our pictures are taken outside, but the cars are indoors for viewing, so in any weather. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.